guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today with Cooking with Ada Jazz, we're gonna make pancakes. All you're going to need is your pancake batter. I bought mine at my local supermarket. You're going to need a measuring cup with a fork, butter, a 1 cup measuring cup, and a pan. I'm using my egg pan for this, but you can use any non-stick pan. So while my pan is getting hot, you're going to need 1 cup of pancake batter and then 2/3 of water. I already went ahead and put the water in the measuring cup. All you need to do is just add the 1 cup of pancake batter into the water mixture. And then using the fork, I'm gonna go ahead and stir this. You can go ahead and use a mixing bowl if you like. So like I said, you could use a mixing bowl for this, but because it's instant pancake batter, it does require a little bit of ingredients. So I went ahead and I used my measuring cup. Let me go ahead and mix this really quick. Now that I have my pancake batter all mixed up and ready to go, I'm gonna go ahead and wait a little bit for my pan to heat up. And then once it gets heated up, I'm gonna add the butter to it. Just a little side note, I do know how to make pancakes from scratch, but because I had instant pancake batter, I felt like it was the best decision to make it right now, due to the fact that to make pancakes from scratch, you do need flour, eggs, and all that, and I don't have any eggs right now, so the instant pancake batter was my best decision for this video. Alright, so now that I have my pan heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and add the butter. And as you can hear the sizzling sound, my pan is ready to go. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the batter mixture really quickly. I don't want my butter to burn here. And we're gonna let this cook up for like a good 1 minute or 2. So a quick little tip, once you start seeing your pancake bubbling like mine is, it's ready to flip. I went ahead and I flipped it. It's looking pretty good right now. And then you're gonna repeat the process all the way until your batter mixture is completely empty. And the reason why I went ahead and I used a measuring cup, which I didn't add this earlier, it's because it makes it more easier when you're putting the batter in the pan. You don't have to use a ladle every time. You don't have to worry about making a mess or anything like that. So I have 1 pancake ready to go, and I'm also making the other pancakes as well. So let me know what you guys are doing in the comments below. Let me know, what are you eating? I always love to read comments about what people are eating. I don't know why, but usually I do. But yes. To those of you who are new to my channel, hello, hi, welcome, and to my subscribers, how are you guys? I've missed you guys so much. I hope everyone, to my new subscribers and to my previous subscribers, I hope everyone is having a really good day today. A very positive, upbeat day. That's how we should get started, right? But yes, let me go ahead and flip the pancakes because it's ready to flip right now. As you can see, my pancakes have finished cooking. To this, you can add butter if you like, and the butter will melt. It'll look delicious. You can add syrup, of course. You can add maple syrup. You can also add bananas, strawberries in the batter or on top of the pancakes. It's really, really delicious. But to these pancakes, I'm just gonna add syrup. My pancakes are looking scrumptious already. I can't wait to eat them. So there you go. This is how to make quick and easy pancakes using instant batter. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful and blessed day, guys. Thank you. I love you so much. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell button, and the like button. Please share my video. I love you guys, and till next time.